Since Washington Middle School is home to the Marine Science and Pre-Advanced Placement Magnet program, teachers are encouraged to spend time on and around waterways so they can pass on their firsthand knowledge to their young bay savers. During the summer months, teachers were invited to enjoy time kayaking around Hampton Roads. Aquatic Lab instructor Daniel Ellis coordinated a number of staff kayaking trips at different locations throughout the peninsula. The trips were designed as fun and relaxing outings, giving teachers an opportunity to spend time together outside the classroom. For new teachers, fresh out of college, it was a wonderful introduction to Washington's outdoor learning environment. And when educators returned to school in late August, Principal Dr. Sean Callender invited his entire staff to Fort Monroe for a day on the water. Teachers had a number of activities to keep them engaged, such as kayaking, fishing, and marine science activities on the beach. This allowed all educators, no matter their area of teaching, to personally experience what students do on their field trips. Taking water samples, using tools to measure water quality, and discussing the plant and animal life found throughout the Chesapeake Bay watershed were a few of the fun and informative activities that helped Washington's staff sharpen their knowledge as they prepare for students returning to school.